what's your name?
Tom Olson.
And how long have you been participating in the Minnesota State Fair?
About 10, 11 years.
Wow. So what's been your favorite year that you've been participating here? Any big titles that you've won?
2 years ago we did good. My sister won first in a Gedney.
Okay. And what would you say has been your, when you first started, what was something that you really struggled with to kind of figure out about being a part of this project?
Oh, we entered jam and jelly and we didn't know. We figured everybody else was pretty good at canning, and we won second in the jams and preserves, and we couldn't believe it. So, I mean, it's just more or less a game. See if you can win or not.
Okay.
Okay?
What's some advice that you would have to new people that want to take part in the preserved foods contest?
Oh, just sit down and study canning books and experiment. Oh, I have some disasters. You just don't see those.
And how many projects did you bring in this year? It looks like you're at the 6 and over.
Sister brought 20 and I brought 20.
Okay. And how long does it take you to prep for this? How many days, weeks did you do canning?
Oh, I work on this all year long.
And what's your favorite one that you made this year? Any certain jam or?
No. Oh, the new berry, Josta berry.
Okay.
That's a real unique berry. Mm-hmm.
Do you expect to have some pretty tough competition in that berry?
Not in that particular berry, but you have competition here.
Well, thank you. Good luck this year.